What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. 今集我會帶大家去柏斯打卡位 Part 3。Let's go！ 咁香港人放假就鍾意去商場嗰度嘆冷氣啊。咁依度啲 culture 咧就係鍾意去 outdoor 啊，玩 sport 啊，或者去沙灘啊，放下狗啊，所以好 relax。所以個人認為咧，如果你哋見到奧運會嗰陣時，澳洲運動員攞咗咁多面獎牌，就係因為佢哋有一種去 outdoor 玩 sport 嘅 desire。就正因為咁嘅機會，佢哋由細個接觸咗佢哋嘅鍾意嘅 sport， 所以佢哋贏嘅機會係多好多。所以有得解釋嘅咯。咁廢話唔講咁多啦，咁我即刻帶你哋去我最鍾意嘅 Cottesloe Beach。Let's go！而家開始黃昏嘅時候呢，有好多人去呢個沙灘度kite surfing 啊，或者你哋叫 windsurfing 啊。咁 let's have a look 啦。我做 research 嗰陣時咧，發現原來澳洲有1萬個沙灘、海灘，咁即係等於如果你一日裏邊去一個沙灘，都要需要27年嘅時間，所以去唔晒㗎咯。咁 that's why 我揀咗依個 show 俾你哋睇，係去到柏斯嘅話，一定要去呢個嘅沙灘。所以我個人推介依個沙灘俾你哋。喺 Fremantle 嘅附近嘅啫，所以好方便過嚟咯。為咗你哋，對鞋唔使要啦。Are you guys ready for the money shot? Alright, let's go. 食 fish and chips 啊。咁我去翻屋企附近嘅 local shop 度買我中意食嘅 fish and chips 啦。我而家俾你睇下佢哋啲 decoration 啊，好靚。Alright，咁呢集去到呢度啦。如果你哋中意呢條片嘅話，記住俾個 like 我同埋 subscribe 我嘅 channel 啦。下一集見，拜拜。